What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the SABRENT 250 watt 8-port USB PD 3.0 charger with color LCD status display. This is the model AX-SPTC. So a big shout out to the company SABRENT for sending this over for a review. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below. So let's go over a few of the features and details. Like I mentioned, this has a color LCD stream. It's capable of detailing per port power draws, delivers a maximum of 250 watts across all 8 ports. It has 2 pair of USB-C charging ports with a maximum of 100 watt per port or 125 watt per pair. Now this has 2 USB-A ports with a maximum of 18 watts per port or 36 watts per pair. This is a programmable power supply. It allows for adjustable charging to accommodate different devices, and it features overcharge protection to ensure safe charging. Now this is going to work with your smartwatches, earbuds, laptops, phones, tablets, etc. So those are a few of the features and details. We'll get into more as we get into the video here. So everything I read there, you guys can see PD, USB, USB-A, USB-C, and turning it over on the back, you get some more specs here as well. Pretty much everything I said right there. So let's go ahead and get into the package and check this out. So always nice to have a great charging station if you have a lot of devices, or if you don't have a lot of devices. This is going to be a great one here because it has some excellent power. You're going to be able to charge a bunch of different things at one time, and it's going to distribute the power as needed. So let's see how you get in here. So it's a sleeve here. Get this sleeve off. And let's see what else we got to do here. All right, so this comes up like this. And we're going to take a look and see what's in the packaging. So we get the charger there. Has a little weight to it. And then also in the box, get the power cord, get a manual, get some screws and hardware here if you want to mount that on the wall. And this is your mounting plate. So that is pretty much it in the box. Got one little brochure left in here as well. Let's get the box out the way. Check this out. So you get some literature here. You can extend your warranty up to 2 years. And you get another brochure here as well, some paperwork. You get your mounting bracket, like I mentioned there. You get your user's guide here, user's manual. Tell you everything you need to know about it. I may have to reference that. Hardware in case you want to mount this on the wall. Power cable, and then here's the star of the show, the 252 watt charger. So let's take this out. It does have some weight, guys. It's not a lightweight device. So here it is, made out of all plastic, it seems. Do have some skid plates on the bottom. This is where if you wanted to mount this, you would connect this on the back of it and mount it to the wall. Ventilation right there. You got your Kensington lock right there, and you have where you plug your power cable in. Got a little string protector here. We're gonna get that off. Epic fail right there, but I'll get it off. Epic fail. But here's your LCD display. You got your 4 USB-C ports. You got your 4 USB-A ports, a little branding right there. And then you have a button here. And we're going to find out what that button's for. So let's go ahead and get this thing powered up, get some devices, and check this out. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have the SABRENT 250 watt charger plugged in. You guys see I have a bunch of devices in the background. We're going to get to those next. I am powering one device right now, which is the Vocaster 1 for my microphone. And you guys see that the wattage that it's using is right there. So let's take a look at the LCD display. You guys can see that it's showing all 8 ports You're going to be able to see the wattage. You see that these are signed by numbers and letters right here, C1A, C2A, A1A, so on and so forth. And they correspond with the same markings on each individual port right there as well. Now, you do have a button right there. We'll get to that. Earlier I said these were skid plates. These are actually anti-skid plates. They're made to keep it from moving when you have it on a desk or a surface. All right, so if you push the button one time, you're going to be able to go through each individual port, and you'll be able to see the voltage, the current, the temperature, and the time that it's being used. So we're using C1B. We'll go, and this is what the Vocaster is using right now. 5.1 volts, 0.6 amps. The temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, 91 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've been using it about 15 minutes now. So if you click through, it'll take you back to the home screen, and there it is right there. Now, if I wanted to change the orientation of the LCD display, double click, it changes it to the other direction. So that is pretty much it. It explains the charger. Feels cool to the touch right now. And also, you can mount this on the wall as well. So let's place it on the table and try out the other devices. And as I'm demonstrating right now, it's not only for charging, you can power. I'm powering my Vocaster as well. And I'll show you some other things that you can use to power as well. So let's move on to the next part of the video. All right, guys, so we're back in. We're going to start plugging in devices here. So the first thing we're going to plug in are the AirPods. We're going to plug these in with Type-C. And they are charging, as you guys see right here. They are going to be using .9 watts. That's all they're using. Next, we're going to charge the small gaming system that I have here, the Nintendo Switch Lite. Going to go back there. It is charging, as you guys see. It is going to be using 5.9 watts. 2.8 watts, I'm sorry. There it is. Let's go ahead and plug in the iPad. There it is. It is charging. Let's go ahead and charge the laptop. And it is charging. As you guys see, it says it's charging. And the next thing, I want to power this light. One of my lights that I use for YouTube. This light right here, we're going to plug it into the Type A. So this is not charging, it's powering it. Now let's go ahead and hit the switch. And as you guys see, it is working. So we got a bunch of things plugged in here. And this is what it looks like. It's distributing the power as needed. And I have 2 slots that are open still. So everything is working great there. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the iPad. We're going to plug in the iPhone. Make sure that it is charging. And there it is. You guys see that it's charging. So I still have 2 slots. So this is it's working great for everything. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the SABRENT 250-watt 8-port USB 3.0 charger. I think it's an excellent product. You're able to charge a bunch of different devices at one time. You're also able to power devices as well. You're able to monitor your voltage, your current, the temperature, and see how much time you've been using it. And I think it's just a great product. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out.